Hey guys, welcome to day 24 of the Embrace Your Light aerial yoga series. Today you will focus on what nurture feels like in your body. Nurture makes me think of the words nature and mother. That's because the word means to care for and encourage growth and development. If you were to look inwards and see the places you would like to plant some seeds of growth and development, where would you plant those seeds? And what would those seeds represent? Notice what qualities you would like to nurture within yourself as you move through class today. So you're going to start today in a seat in front of the hammock. Find a comfortable seat. You might even raise your hips up by sitting on a block or a blanket or a cushion, just so you create some more space in the lower back and the hips. And then start to close down your eyes and find a soft gaze. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. Allowing your awareness to drift into your body, feeling sensation in your body. Notice how you feel. Starting to notice the sensation of the word nurture. Maybe start to think or imagine some seeds that you would like to plant. And that your body and your mind is a fertile soil, ground of fertile soil, ready to be nourished, to be nurtured with water and love and care. Notice some seeds that you would like to plant. So maybe they could be seeds of confidence, of abundance, safety, truth, honesty. Notice what seeds, what qualities within yourself you would like to plant and nurture. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. Creating your intention around what you would like to nurture. Imagining picking up the seeds and placing them into that fertile soil of your mind, of your body. Take a big breath in, pick them up. And as you exhale, push them down into the soil, down through your body, planting them deeply inside of you. As you move through your pranayama, your breathwork practice, and your class today, start to imagine those seeds are growing roots and blossoming, growing into that soil. Take another big breath in and a breath out. You can blink your eyes open and ball your hand into a fist, that right hand. Extend your thumb, your pinky finger, and your peace fingers. Bring those peace fingers to your third eye or to your brow. Closing your eyes once again. Take a preparatory breath, breathe in. Cleanse it out. Close your thumb with your right nostril. Breathe into the left. Close both at the top. Breathe out of the right. Breathe into your right. Close both at the top. Breathe out of your left. Breathe into your left. Close both at the top. Breathe out of your right. Breathe into your right. Close both at the top. Breathe out of your left. Breathe into your left. Close. Breathe out of the right. Breathe into the right. Close at the top. Breathe out of the left. Breathe into the left. Close at the top. Breathe out of the right. Breathe into the right. Close at the top. Breathe out of the left. Last round, breathe in to the left. Close at the top. Breathe out of the right. Breathe in to the right. Close at the top. Breathe out of the left. And bring your hand back down into your lap or on your knees, keeping your eyes closed, noticing sensation in your body. Noticing if your seeds have grown at all. Connecting back into your intention, back into those seeds. Continuing to imagine them growing roots and growing towards the sun through the soil. Take a big breath in. And a breath out. Blinking your eyes open, giving me a smile. Let's get started with today's class. You're going to come and bring that hammock around in front of you. Come back just a little bit so you're behind the hammock and behind the plumb line. You're going to open out the fabric. You're going to grab the edge that's furthest away from you and bring your feet into that edge. So 1 foot at a time, creating some space between your toes and that front edge. And then slide the hammock until the hammock is kind of bunched up around the knees. So nice open hammock around the calves. You're going to come into a forward fold. So start to hug the knees, just lightly hugging the knees, and bring your chin into your chest, bowing your forehead down to your knees. And taking 3 deep breaths here, just allow yourself to soften, to feel nurtured and feel a sense of growth happen, some deep growth, deep patterns to help you move forward. Take a big breath in. Soften something as you exhale. And trusting the process, nurturing yourself, nurturing your thoughts, your wisdom, and those seeds that you've planted. Take another big breath in. And a breath out. You're going to release your hands, roll your spine back straight. You're going to come down onto your forearms. You might need to scooch the hips forward just 1 little step. So the hips are more directly underneath the plumb line, but not quite. And then you're going to come down onto your forearms. So laying back, forearms are down underneath you. And the elbows are kind of directly underneath the shoulders, so at right angles. A little bit of a forearm tabletop plank, reverse plank. You're going to press into your forearms, squeeze the shoulder blades in together and start to lift up the chest. And then start to press into the feet, lifting up the hips. And they may not get very far, so you're just looking for that tricep engagement as you lift the hips, engage the core. Big breath in, hold here for 3, 2, 1. Lower down the hips slowly, and then all the way down onto your back. Lower the shoulders and head onto the ground. The arms will come out wide, palms face up, and take a rock through a sway through the legs. So swing the legs back and forth, massaging the lower back and glutes into the ground. And take another big breath in here. Connecting into that fertile soil, that nurtured element with you and the ground connection. Slowly make your way back through center. You're going to bring your chin into your chest, bring your knees in towards your chest. You can grip onto the other edge of the hammock. So that edge that's all bunched up, you'll need to roll it out and find it with your hands. Beautiful. Grabbing onto that edge so you've got lots of hammock to play with. The hammock is going to come underneath your glutes. So you reach up as high as you can. You might even climb up and lift the back off the ground. Press into your feet, lifting up the hips and scooping the hammock underneath the glutes onto that lower back. So you're in an inverted cobra, opening up through the heart. Noticing the sensation of the difference in sensation of connecting your back to the ground with your feet in the hammock, and now connecting with your hips raised off the ground and in the hammock. it's almost like that growth sensation. You're connected to the earth, to that nurturing soil element, and then slowly we lift up and out of the earth and grow into that hammock element. Start to take a little sway of the legs inside of the hammock, sway them back and forth, engaging the obliques to help sway the legs in the hammock. Gently make your way back to center. You're going to bring your feet outside of the hammock. So walk them out. That's it. You're going to grip up onto the hammock and pull your torso up. And again, you're raising up out of the earth, just like the seeds growing into plants. You're going to bring the soles of the feet underneath you, stuff them in nice and close. You're going to reach your right hand across your body onto the outer part of the left knee. Reach your left hand up and grip onto the opposite fabric. Take a little spinal twist. Take a nice big inhale, twisting through the upper body. You might look up to that top hand. You might also look down, especially if your neck is feeling a little tense today. Looking down. Take one more big breath in. And then as you exhale, bring that top hand through the center of the hammock to land behind you on the mat. And that the right hand's going to reach through the center of the hammock and over the top of your head. Beautiful. Come back through center with both hands. The left hand's going to reach onto the outside of your right knee and then reach your right hand up to the hammock as high as you can go to the opposite side. Take a twist. Take a big inhale. Twisting a little deeper as you exhale. You might look up to your top hand. You might look down towards the ground. Take one more big inhale. Big exhale. One more inhale. As you exhale, bring that top hand, that right hand all the way through onto the ground behind you, and then reach the opposite arm through the center and overhead. Beautiful. Come back through center with both hands. And then you're going to bring both hands to the back edge and lay down completely inside of the hammock. So everything's lifted up off the ground. Head comes inside, feet come inside. And bringing your hands overhead, palms facing each other. So bending at the elbows, hands are outside of the hammock. Just allowing yourself to imagine those seeds of growth, those qualities that you want to nurture. Noticing how big they've grown now. Maybe there's some flowers or fruits starting to blossom as you continue to nurture and become aware of the way they need to grow to be the best version of you. Take another big inhale. Big exhale, so it is. And you'll gently finish up class, taking your time. Slowly, you'll bring your feet outside of the hammock once again. And come and meet me in a seat on the ground. And bring your thumbs to heart center, closing down your eyes. Bow your chin into your chest, your mind to your heart. Now allowing those seeds of growth and development, those qualities that you want to nurture right now, today, in this moment, to blossom and give you fruit. Take a big breath in and push them down through the body. And from my heart to yours, namaste. Thank you guys so much for joining me today for your class. I truly appreciate you being here. Let me know what seeds you planted in the comments down below. I'd love to connect with you a little more and get to know you. So, and also if you liked this video, then make sure you give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button and the notification bell icon so that you get notified when I release new videos. I look forward to seeing you again in the next video and have a beautiful day. Bye guys.